guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have, I guess, kind of like a packing video for you because we're getting ready to leave for our trip up to Maine tomorrow. So today is gathering and packing and organizing day. So I just wanted to show you not everything, but majority of the things that we're going to be taking with us. If you haven't watched my summer plans 2020 video, they are kind of like go over our plans. So we are going up to Maine. We're gonna be there for just about 2 weeks and super excited. We rent like I guess it's like a tiny house slash a cottage cabin maybe, because I'm a real camper, but my family aside from Aiden, they do not camp very well, and my mom is coming with us. So having like a tiny house with an actual bed, a toilet, and a refrigerator, and a couch and TV and AC is kind of like the way we do it these days. So anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna show you what I take for us while we're there. Like, it's a lot of stuff, but my goal is always not to waste time running to stores once we're at our destination. Like, I don't mind going for food and fruits and veggies and things like that, but I try to take as much as we can from the house, then we can just relax and enjoy the time. Because you know who's gonna be going to the stores? Me. Because you know, if my husband goes to the store, you know how long that's gonna take? Like 3 hours. Yes, you get the point, ladies. Sorry guys, but that's just the reality. Anyway, so I'm gonna flip the camera and show you what we have. All right, this thing kind of has a lot of stuff. So I don't know where to start. I'm bringing my little, what is this thing called? Steamer, because we're doing photos over there. I got my little detergent, well, the pods, some fabric softener, lots of Clorox wipes because you know that we're still dealing with virus. So I want to make sure we stay clean. They don't, I think they provide you with like one toilet roll over there. So we have a few toilet rolls, garbage bags, wet ones that are safe for hands and they're fragrance free. We do have only one toilet, one bathroom I should say. So I get these to keep it smelling nice and fresh. I have more wet ones because, you know, I have a Glade, I think it's Glade plug in. This one smells really, really good. Just to kind of keep everything fresh. A box of matches, out of dust, and more Clorox products to disinfect everything once we get there. I know it's gonna be clean, but I need to clean it. More environmentally friendly stuff, like to clean the surfaces, and then dishwashing soap, and some sponges, baby wipes, and I think this is antibacterial soap. So that's what I have here. So I try to kind of like organize it, I guess, kind of like per categories and into bins like this, because it just makes it easier for me. We have our med kit, as Aiden calls it. Let me see if I can open it. It's kind of hard with one hand. Hey guys, let me get you a little, oh yeah. All right, so just your typical stuff: alcohol wipes, afterbite, ointment, if anyone is having heartburn, lollipops if kids, of course, you know, get hurt, some vitamins over there, some bandages, and we do have some like prescription creams here. They're kind of like good if you have, I guess, like eczema or maybe like a rash, in case the kids, not that they pick something up, but you know what I mean. Then I have these bins. I also kind of like organize it like this. So this one, for instance, I guess has some of our toiletries and shampoo. This is Aiden's styling hair product that he loves. I get these toothbrushes for the kids, the ones that they get when they visit a dentist, so that way they don't have to drag their toothbrushes from home. I use these products. Monet is really, really good. They have amazing ingredients, nothing crabby in there. So this is like the kids shampoo. I have a couple of things for myself, like a leave-in conditioner and curling spray, and there's shampoo somewhere, you know, regular stuff, deodorant. So stuff like this is here. Reorganize it a little bit. What else? So then this one is like my essential oils. I love my oils. I try to make my own bug spray for the kids, to try chemical free. We have some vitamins here for the kids, for us. I get headaches every once in a while, so I take magnesium. It kind of helps. And of course, Emergency. And this one is like also for my headaches, but it's really good for any pain. An acupuncturist actually made it for me. I don't know what kind of cream, I guess, or oil is inside, but it does have like CBD, I think. So it really, really helps if I have a really bad headache. And I have more oils over there as well. Okay, moving along. Can't forget these face masks. I picked these up, I think in Target. We no longer are required, I think, to wear masks in Maine. And I don't know. Not that we're not required, but from people from New York, like, you don't have to worry. Okay, so here again, I have some stuff for the kids. I have some prescriptions for us that we might need. Sometimes if the kids get rashes, this is good again. You know, stuff like that. And this should go here too. This is an Epipen for one of my kids that we're still learning about. Yeah, brand new set of allergies. Okay, let me move this over. All right, so here is kind of like a mix of whatever. These are lights I actually got, I don't know, like a year ago for Disney to decorate the stroller, but I guess we can decorate our deck or our golf cart. I put a few books that I want to read. I've read this book. It's really, really good. I've read all of his books actually, but I got a new copy and I wanted to read it. Then I hear a lot of great things about this book, so it's kind of on my list to read. Aiden, of course, got his own books. Is this one, and he has this book as well. What else do we have here? So this is really like, I guess, kids related stuff. I got them new water guns. We have a couple of board games here because we try to play a lot of them while we're there. These things, water balloons. Now these things are pretty cool. I guess you guys will see once we're there and we actually vlog. These go on the wheels of the bicycles and they look really, really cool at night. Also got some glow sticks for them and two humongous things of bubbles. And this is, I think, part of the mousetrap game because we have mousetrap, knife, and headbands. So this is this. Let me see. There goes the book. Here I have some snacks. These cookies, my kids really love them, and they're very like allergy friendly, and they're also gluten free because one of my kids eats gluten free. We got some waffle mix, pancake mix, and then we have this one that I get from Trader Joe's, which is so good, so delicious, and it's gluten free. So we have a couple of packs of that. And the reason I'm bringing this is because I don't think they have a Trader Joe's over there and I might not find it. And you know how kids are, that they're not gonna wanna eat it if it's not the same. And sometimes it's hard to find these cookies, but I've been seeing them more and more. So anyway, so we have a few in here. What do I have here? Okay, so this is kind of like for the road for the kids. I mean, we're driving to Maine. We're picking up my mom, so from my mom's house it's about like 4 hours, but of course it'll be a little longer. We're gonna break for lunch, but this is kind of like the cookies, gluten-free pretzels, regular pretzels for the kids for the car, and some gum for me. I like this company, but I've never tried this one, so I'm excited to do that when I'm driving. And I have more oils. Love me oils. Love me some oils. What else? Okay, so this is like the bug container. So this one, these I picked up, I think in Costco. Not sure exactly how it works, but I guess you open it up and like the bugs just get stuck there. And this is, I guess, something similar, and it looks like it's rewashable, reusable and washable, I should say, and it gives you light and it zaps the bugs. This is bug spray, mosquito spray, all of that stuff. I don't really get affected by mosquitoes, so I don't use it too much. I use just like the essential oils, but my husband gets killed, and my mom is worried because she got bit by a tick once that had Lyme, so she's very cautious, and I try not to use these on the kids as well. But yeah, so we have the sprays, an extra one, and then I guess this thing that we can burn. What else do I have here? Got some Bounty. I know 3 is not going to be enough, so we have more in the car already. And then I have this bad boy with more snacks for the kids. Again, like these gluten-free pretzels that I get from Trader Joe's. So making sure we have extra, more cookies. My kids also like these chips that I also get from Trader Joe's. And some good old Doritos. So this is, I guess, kind of it. It's a lot of stuff, but it's like organized chaos, I guess, but it definitely helps me to see what I have. Also packing a ginormous suitcase for me and my 2 kids, and my husband is kind of just like on his own. It's really big. I'm definitely overpacking, but you know, sometimes the kids are good and they don't get so dirty, but sometimes like they end up changing clothes like 2-3 times a day, and especially if we go to the beach, especially if it rains. So I do have like a whole bag of shoes that I put, like literally like a garbage bag of shoes that has their rain boots, sneakers, like sandals, flip-flops, and like a decent pair of shoes that they're going to use for when we take photo, because you know, I need them to I need them to look presentable. But let me show you really quick what I have in my suitcase, and then I'm gonna start taking all of this to the car. So excited. All right, here is this bad boy. All right, so I do have some packing cubes, but you know, it's kind of like all over the place. But here, like, I have my kids' undergarments, plain white t-shirts, and some pajamas, cotton and fleece, because it gets cold. I think I have my swimsuits here, my undergarments. So I packed a couple of shorts for my boys, well, swimming shorts. Here's something that I'm taking. I got these at Costco. They're so nice, and they're, I actually got 2 of these. They're linen shorts, and then also a nice pair of pants. This is the contenders of what the kids are gonna wear for our photo session. So this is kind of like the color scheme. My dress is kind of like this color. I'm not sure, my husband kind of messed up and got the wrong polo, but we'll see. So these are the polo, and I think as far as shorts for the photo session, this was my option, and there was another one, which of course I can't find right now. Yeah, I have like 3 pairs of the same ones, maybe this one. So I don't know, we'll have to try. But the kids have probably combined, oh my gosh, I don't know, like 12 pairs of shorts. What else I have here? So this is some of my stuff. I have some also light dresses and some tops and some throws, I guess, like something easy. Here are some shirts that the boys have. I think this is Andrew's, and this is Aiden's, all his stuff. And yeah, and here is just the white tees, which we love and they love. Like, I'm also taking, I think, 4 pairs of pants for each kid. These are our towels. They're kind of like all mixed up because I try not to take like our really good stuff from the house. So we have like a beach towel there and just like random towels. Another shirt. I'm taking these 2 hoodies. They're kind of light, not very heavy. And then just this one, it's very, very thin. So I don't think it'll be that cold. And I took 3 hoodies each for one of my boys, and these 2 are like big and oversized, and then the other ones are kind of like size size appropriate. And that's about it for all of this. I do feel like it's a lot of stuff, but I don't know. I would definitely not pack like this for Disney, but then again, we're going for 2 weeks. So that's kind of it, and I still have to pack my camera gear, make sure I have my batteries, chargers, my laptop, my work stuff, my external hard drives, my big camera, because even though we're taking pictures there professionally, but I'm still taking my big camera. So I'm just like so happy and so thankful, so grateful that after everything that my family has been through, that we're finally able to get away. Like get out of this New York City and just get away and relax and be outdoors, and everyone really enjoys that. So just really, really excited. And I'm so excited that my mom is coming with us. All right, so thanks so much for watching. Like I said, like this was just like such a last minute video. Just really wanted to show you what we're doing, what we're taking, and I'll see you real soon.